Hey everybody, it's me once again. Listen, I did this once before, but I wanted to do it again on how to make your own fabric softener. Um, you go to the store. I was in the store, Target, and I was looking at. I picked up some fabric softener, and then I was like, "This stuff is it's like." Well, I start making mine last year, but it was like an on and off thing, and I wasn't very consistent with it. And I would use Downy or whatever brand, and I have an organic one or something like that, or a Target one, and whatever's one was cheapest. So last year I had started doing this, and I think I did a video on it. I'm not sure, but last year I started making my own, like try to make my own little household things and stuff like that, along with other things. So I had ran out of fabric softener. So I was like, you know what? I got stuff. Let me see if I got stuff in my house that I can make it myself. Because I'm a retired lady. And at the time, I was kind of broke. So I was like, I ain't gonna go out here spend my last. I ain't got $10, and I don't feel like going out, or $15 to go get some fabric softener. And I don't feel like going to the store. And I was washing my clothes. So I said, let me just make some. Let me see if I can make this myself. So I figured it out, how to make it myself. Like I said, I wasn't consistent with it, but like when I went to Target yesterday and I was gonna pick up some, and I putting it back. I was like, why should I pay $7 or $8 for a thing of fabric softener like this when I got the stuff at home and I can make it myself? It's this household stuff I got around the house. So let me stop talking. So what it is that you need is water. Sorry, this is water. Vinegar, and essential oil. But sometimes the vinegar can overpower it. And to make your clothes a little softer, if you have some hair conditioner around your house, you can squeeze in a cup of hair conditioner too. So let me stop talking and show y'all what I'm talking about. So what I do is, this right here is 3 cups of water. So I pour in 3 cups of water. I'm gonna pour it in this jar. Ooh, I'm making a mess as usual. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know I get messy. So this is my 3 cups of water, y'all, right here. And this is they say 1.5 cups of vinegar. This is a little bit, maybe about 1.25 cups, a little bit less, because vinegar is kind of overpowering. Vinegar. Oop, I might have to get another jar, y'all. I don't know if this is gonna make it. I might. Oop, I'm making a mess again. I'm gonna have to get a bigger jar, but y'all get the gist of it. Vinegar. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a bigger jar, y'all. So, and then let me get a bigger jar. Hold on, I'm gonna pour this in a bigger jar. I got some more jars, y'all. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna pour. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some out, but y'all get the gist of it. If y'all just need a bigger jar, this is kind of small. I make this so this is water and vinegar, so I can just pull this over there, little this out. Hold on, y'all. So I pour quite a bit of it off, y'all, but y'all get the gist of it. And then I'm gonna add some essential oil, a couple of drops. I put them out my floor, so I'll do a couple of drops of essential oil. Let's say about a teaspoon. Ooh. A couple of drops. They say like a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. I put a little bit more. Then I'm going to add, this is some hair conditioner that I haven't been using. I kind of liked it, but I haven't really been using it. So, and it just can be any type of hair conditioner. It could be some cheap ones, it could be one of your favorites, organic, whatever. And just take that. They said put about 1 cup, but since I spilled some of this out, I'm just gonna do a 1/2 cup. And I've had this for a while, so I need to get this out of here. So, half a cup, and I'm gonna pour that in there, like so. Yeah, so. Then I'll shake it up. But we gotta get to the top so I can shake it up. So I'm gonna seal this real tight. Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake it, y'all. Shake, 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 shake. There go your fabric softener right there. Smells great. Smells just, and if you think that it's still a little too vinegary, you can even have some more hair conditioner, or just put a couple more drops of your essential oil. If you still feel it's a little bit overly vinegary for you, and just because it's gonna go on your clothes, y'all. And that's it. That's your fabric. I'm sorry, I said hair conditioner. I mean, that's your fabric softener right there. I've been saying hair conditioner, but y'all, I meant fabric softener. Fabric softener right here for your clothes. You ain't got to go out there and spend a whole bunch of money because you're already buying detergent probably, which is a small fortune. I ain't gonna make no fabric laundry detergent. I don't think I go that far. You can do it, but maybe later on down the line. But right now, I'm just doing my fabric softener. That's it. That's all. You can Google it. It's gonna tell you the same thing. I think it's like, if you want to make smaller versions of it, it's like 1 cup of water and a half a cup of vinegar. So if you're gonna mix it up or make it bigger, it's like 1 cup, then half cup of vinegar. Then, like I said, get you some essential oil, hair conditioner. That's it. And I got some fabric softener. I ain't spent a small fortune for it. Like I saw at Target yesterday or any other store. And it's gonna last me. And if I run out, I can go back in my kitchen, sit right here, and make this in 5 minutes. And that's it. And it smells, it's gonna make it smell, clothes smell. Smells great. Smells good, and it's gonna make your clothes just as soft as any other fabric softener. So until next time, everybody be great, be safe. Don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about yesterday, y'all. Focus on the day that the Lord has given you. Get out and grow something. Get out and do something. Peace and breathe.